What if I told you that some of the smartest engineering students in the world aren't just smart studying harder, they are studying smarter, and they are probably using websites you don't even know exist? In this video, I'm going to share with you top 5 free websites you can use to study smarter, gain real world engineering knowledge, and also to do assignment faster. So let's get into that. So the first website we are going to be looking at is the engineeringtoolbox.com. All right. So this particular website, it contains various material properties, that is resources and tools, and it also has breakdown of each topic you need. Let's take for instance, now I'm in civil engineering and I want a topic on fluid mechanics. I'm just going to come down to this place, hit the fluid mechanics, then see a lot of topics it can give you. Okay, so you can just come to this particular place, click kinematic and viscosity, and voila, see a lot of topics, and then also a lot of formula, a lot of definitions, a lot of formula. That's one very special thing about this website. All right, so you can actually do that for all other topic. This is thermodynamics and the rest. All right, so now one best thing I like about this particular website is that it also has unit converter. All right, so if you want to convert, let's say we are converting, this is about, let's say 2 meters. Okay, we want to convert to kilometer, inches, whichever one, we just hit the convert button. And as you can see here, see 2 meters is 200 centimeter and 2000 millimeter. See, as easy as it is, instead of you to be stressing your brain or whatever, you can also do the same thing also for temperature. You can do the same thing for area, volume, and all the like that, like that, like that. There are also a lot of topics down here: Bernoulli's equation, bulk modulus, and all the likes. Okay, so it will be very, very good for you to check out this particular website. So the next website we are going to be looking at is eFunda.com. Yeah, eFunda.com. This particular website is very, very good for understanding difficult math concepts, difficult formulas, difficult math formula. You are going to meet it here. Just hit this particular home tab here, which is maths. Okay, if you're a math student, then you see a lot of topics there. You can easily come to anyone. Let's take for instance, you are doing engineering maths now, you need Laplace theorem and Fourier series. You can just easily hit the Laplace. Okay, it's going to bring you here. See, voila, very, very simple, like a detailed breakdown of Laplace. Okay, so one of the best things I like about this particular website is the fact that it also has calculator. Okay, it has calculator, although the calculator is, I think they are partnering with Wolfram Mathematica. Okay, so to make the calculations also, and also you can easily just come here, click the calculator part. Okay, and then ask any question you want in this particular place for it to solve it for you. So that's one very, very good thing I like about this particular website. So the next website we are going to be looking at is Khan Academy. Okay, Khan Academy, that's KHAN academy.org. Okay, so this particular website, one thing it is good for is for learning basic engineering skills, science skills, and life teaching skills. Okay, let's take for instance, now you want to learn, you are in computer engineering and you want to learn the basics of Python, that is this computer programming or whatever. You can just come here, hit this particular place. And one very, very good thing I like about this particular website is they arrange the topics in modules and in units. That's one thing I like about it. See it arranged step by step. Okay, let's say you are going for the introduction, just hit the introduction to programming. And also it also has video, like video lectures also, which is something that is very, very great. So you can check this website out also. Before we move to the fourth one, if you are finding value in this video, please ensure you smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also share this video with any of your engineering friends that might need it. So next, we are going to move to the ResearchGate.net. This particular website is mainly for students doing their project, okay, or your thesis or anything at whichever stage you are, whether in your master's degree or BSc degree. Okay, so if you are in engineering, like what this video is just talking about, you just come to this part. It's engineering, and it contains a lot of research topic. When I mean a lot of topics under engineering, That is, it contains a lot of questions. You can use it for research. You can use it for your project work. Okay, it contains a lot of publications also. It contains a lot of publications. And then one good thing is you can also ask the author's question, okay, for this particular um website, that is researchgate.net. Just hit the profile, okay, of the author, and then you are going to see all their publications and all what they've done. Okay, so that's one good thing. And then you can ask them question also. Okay, so that's probably one good thing I like about this website. And you can also come here and hit publications. So here, if you hit publications, this is going to bring you right here. Okay, so this is publications. You are going to see a lot of things, a lot of like publications that you can easily what download the full text. Okay, so this one is actually in another different language, but you can put it in the language that is actually suitable for you, for wherever you are. And the last website we are going to be looking at is actually Sanfoundry. Okay, in this particular website, okay, you can also get MCQ questions for engineering, that is for your examination. Let's take for instance you are doing MCQ question, like MCQ questions in the exam. You can just come here, search for Sanfoundry for engineering. When you click on it, you are going to see it has broken it down into various types of engineering. We have electrical here, we have mechanical here, we have agricultural engineering, we have aeronautic, metallurgical, and so on and so forth. So you can just come here, hit whichever topic you want, and it's going to give you MCQ question on that. Just come here, the hit the place. One good thing also is that it has answers to all the questions. So that's very, very good about it. Okay, so you can come here and hit the place and you're going to get it. So this particular website also gives you access to also get like textbook recommendations. Okay, so if you need textbook, let's say you need books for some courses, for some particular courses, you can see books. These are books. It's going to give you like recommendation for books you can buy on those particular subjects or on those particular topics that you are actually looking for. So that's one good thing about this website. If you just finished secondary school, looking forward to learn a skills while you wait at home, you can click the video right up here, and I'm going to see you there. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.